Video, I'll show you how you can change all the settings to you turn it off all spies from your Android mobile. So follow this step by step. Oh, pay attention here. After you do this step by steps, you will see your phone will be get fast and save more battery. So let's go to the screen of my phone. And sorry about my English, I'm trying to talk in English with you. So leave a like, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down here if this step by step works to you. Thank you, my dears. And if you want to help our channel, just buy any items we sell in this video right here in YouTube Shopping. Thank you, my dears, and let's go to the video. So, my dears, you just need to change these 3 settings and it will be done. So, follow this step by step easy and quickly. When you find the settings options main screens, you will look this screen. In each case, for example, if you use a Xiaomi, Samsung, LG, Motorola, any Android mobile, you will see this screen. But we need to change a simple configuration inside this app. The first thing you need to do is looking for the Google settings. So looking for the Google settings, it is the first settings we need to change. When you access this page, you will see this information, the email you are using. In this case, you just need to turn it off all the settings of each Gmail you are using, okay? So just tap right here in your Gmail to you see if you have more than one Gmail using in your mobile. So save this video to you do it again for each email. The second thing you need to do is tap right here in all service. It will show these options: connecting device and sharing, privacy and security. And in these settings, we need to change 2 settings. Oh, my dears, sorry about my English. I'm trying to talk in English slowly to you understand me. And after we change these settings, we need to another spot to change the last settings from your phone. Another thing you will see, your phone will be get fast because this service and the settings usually draining battery and draining mobile data. So tap right here in add options in privacy and settings, scroll down until you find add privacy. Tap right here, and in my case all the settings it is already off. You just need to tap in all these settings and tap in turn it off. In your case it will be able to you. Just tap right here to turn it off, all these settings. App suggestions ads, tap right here and tap in off. Add instrument, in your case this place is with on, tap right here and tap in off. Scroll down and you will see what you turn it off. After that you just need to tap in back till you see this screen. Scroll down until you find these options: delete advertising ID. Tap right here, you scroll down until you find these options right here: delete advertising ID, and this first second is done. Let's go to the second settings to we change. Turn back till you see these options again and privacy and security, and now you just need to tap in personalize using sharing data. Tap right here, and in these options comment here, please. Wait for a few seconds, comment here. Oh, in my case, I have 3 options like you, but if you have more than 3 options, comment as well. We need to see how many options you will have in your smartphone. Now, let's go to turn it off all these settings. It appears for you. If in your case appears maps, tap right here, okay? So, after that, turning back and turning back again. Do you see the main settings options again? You scroll down until you find apps or applications. Tap right here, and in this screen it will show for you all the apps you installed and the apps already installed when you bought your phone, okay? So scroll down until you find the G letter to search for Google. Right here, you will see Google. Right here, tap in Google till you see the settings inside the Google apps. Oh, my dears, if you want to help our channel, you can buy any item we sell. Just click in any item that will show for you. For example, in this item, mouse, smartphone, right here in YouTube shopping on your screen. And thank you, my dears. After that, when you see these options of your settings, tap in permissions, and you just need to scroll down until you find the microphone. Tap right here and tap don't allow anyway, and okay, all settings is done. You will be more safe. You see, your smartphone will be get fast more than before. Please leave a like, comment down here if this step-by-step works to you, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, my dears, and stay with God. See ya!